Cartridge end cap variations are made to suit different housing designs and application requirements, which dictate the reliability and integrity of the seal, along with ease of cartridge changeout. Where product codes indicate an optional end cap is available, a choice can be made from a variety of styles. This video explores the various end cap options available, each designed to suit different housing configurations and application requirements, as well as our in-house capabilities in production. Let's go! Here we have our in-house end cap machine with two identical setups, one in the UK and one in our European distribution centre in Poland, where we can produce up to 6 end capped cartridges per minute. That's a whopping 360 cartridges per hour. This machine allows us to provide you with a quick turnaround on stock that we have in-house. If a cartridge is in our warehouse but you need a different end cap, we can have this done and delivered to you in no time. This has doubled our in-house productivity and boosted the speed of orders getting to our customers without compromising the quality of the filter. Let's quickly go through the coding. An example of coding used is on the screen for you now. There are 2 letters to denote an end cap code, followed by another letter which relates to the material of the seal. The first letter is always an open end, and the second letter can be open or closed. Let's start with the basics. The DOE, or double open-ended, is the most standard cartridge without moulded end caps. When end caps are added, the code becomes AA. These both provide a knife edge seal. Spectrum multi-round housings have a universal plate to accept DOE and AA and EG and EH end cap configurations. Now let's talk about the open end caps. Firstly, we have the C, or 213. Featuring a single internal O-ring on the open end. This provides a superior seal in housings with a spigot, such as the Spectrum EFH and Pentair industrial plastic housings. Here we have the E222 and M224 variations. These options have a double external O-ring seal into a female housing receiver, specific to housings with that O-ring size. F, which is 226, has bayonet type tabs which lock into a female housing receiver. This option locks into the housing and is difficult to shift out of place, and is perfect for applications that require really positive seal and additional security of the filter. Typically used in sanitary housings for applications such as hospitals or food and beverage manufacturing. For high temperature applications and those requiring sterilisation, we offer the Q is equivalent to the E, or 222, and the Z is equivalent to the F, or 226. The closed end cap seals the cartridge and aids with location within the housing, depending on what housing you're fitting it to. These are the following: S, G, and H. Here are the S and G variations, which are closed caps. S is a flat cap, and G has a recess, not used for sealing, but used for locating and supporting the cartridge within the housing. H, which is also known as a fin, is a closed locating cap and secures into a housing more effectively than an S and a G, commonly used in a multi-round housing. Providing a watertight seal between the housing and the cartridge, O-rings and gaskets are essential to the integrity of the filter and come in different types of material. Let's quickly run through the different types. We have silicone, EPDM, Teflon, Viton and Buna. The choice depends on your application and the liquid you are looking to filter.
If you're interested in knowing more about the topic in this video, give us a call, drop us an email or click in the description below.